Hello and welcome to the 22nd video lecture of Quantitative Techniques Semester 3 Module number 1. In today's video lecture we are going to discuss about one more numerical problem on regression. So let us begin. So today's problem goes like this. Calculate the regression coefficient and obtain the regression lines for the following data. Now the data has been given here and x values are there. Also we have set of y values and you have to find the regression coefficient, whether they have asked us x on y or y on x, which regression lines they have asked us. In fact they have asked both, because they have mentioned, see here, lines of regression they have asked. So lines means two lines. Okay, so you have to find regression coefficients, so both the regression coefficients as well as both the lines of regression for the following data. And also there is that you have to find out the value of x when y is equals to 20 and find the value of y when x is equals to 10. So this is what you have to find out. So let us begin. Our problem begins with the table. Because they have asked us both the regression equation, we are finding out x, y is given, x square, y square and x into y. This is x into y. Okay, now suppose if they ask you, sometimes they may ask you only one regression equation, that is x on y. So in such a case, whatever is required, only that you have to find out. No need to find all these three. You need xy at that time. X on y means you need y square, but you don't need x square. Okay, so whatever is needed you have to find out. Now because you are finding both the regression equation, x on y as well as y on x, you need all these three. Okay, so let us begin. First step is we copy whatever they have given us in our table, x values, y values, and we add up them. So summation x, once you add up all these values you will get 28. Once you add up all y values you will get 77. So similarly x square is x into x, so x is 1, so this is 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Similarly 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9, and so on. So this is how you can calculate all these values. 7 into 7, similarly you will get 49. Similarly y square, 9 into 9, that is 81. 8 into 8, y square is y into y, so 8 into 8 is 64. 10 into 10 is 100, and so on. So just write down whatever you get and add up all those. So once you write it down you will get all these values and your total summation y square is 875. Now xy, it is not x into y, x raised to y, it is x into y. Just make that correction, it is not x raised to y. Okay, x into y it is. Okay, fine. xy, so xy is x is here, y is here, x into y, that is 1 into 9 is 9. Similarly x is here 2, y is here 8, 2 into 8 is 16. X is here, y is here, so 3 into 10 is 30. Okay, and so on. So just write down and add up all xy, you will get summation xy. So summation xy is 34. We have got all these values: summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, and summation xy. Okay, so once you get all these values, the next step is you have to find mean of x. So mean of x is represented as x bar, and similarly you have to find out mean of y, which is represented by y bar. Okay, so x bar is equals to summation x divided by n. What is n? N is number of observation: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n equal to 7 in this case, right? So use that value, n equal to 7 here. So you have got x bar equal to summation x upon n, which is equals to 28 upon 7. 28 comes from here, and n equal to 7 I have told you. So 7 ones are 7 fours are, you will get x bar equal to 4. Similarly you have to find out y bar value. Y bar equal to summation y divided by n. Summation y comes from here. Okay, so it is 77 divided by 7. Again n remains same, so 77 divided by 7 is equals to 11. So you have got x bar and y bar. The next step is you have to find out both the regression coefficients, that is x on y as well as y on x. So we'll do that. So regression coefficient of x on y is given by the formula bxy. See here, bxy is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. So this is the formula. Now just substitute. We know that n is equals to 7. Summation xy we have found out from the table, summation x we have found out from the table, summation y we have found out, everything we have found out, just we are substituting it. So after substitution it looks like this. Remember, this is summation xy, it is not summation x into summation y. This is different. This is summation x into summation y. This is summation of xy. Okay, once you do this, multiply 7 into 334 minus 28 into 77. Use the calculators, you will get answer like this. So 2338 minus 2156, you will get 182. Similarly in the denominator, 6125 minus 5929 equal to 196. Once you divide this, you will get the value of bxy is equal to 9.929. So this is the regression coefficient of x on y. X is coming first, y is coming later. So bxy. Fine. So the regression coefficient we have got. The next thing is we have to find out the regression line, that is line of x on y. X on y just means that x is dependent on y. So regression equation of x on y, the formula is x minus x bar equal to bxy. We are using xy again into y minus y bar. So next thing, x minus, we have got x bar equal to 4 equal to bxy we have got here. Okay, from here it has come 0.929 multiplied by y minus y bar we have got in the previous slide, it is equal to 11. So just substitute. After substituting, you have to calculate this. What happens here is x minus 4 equal to 0.929y. You have to multiply this and this first, open the brackets, that is you have to multiply this and this and then this and this. Plus into plus is plus 0.929y, it becomes plus into minus is minus here. Okay, here then 0.929 into 11 is 10.219. okay, I am multiplying this into this multiplied by this into this. Okay, this is known as opening the brackets. So next step is, I'll just write implies, I'll keep x only here and I'll shift this side. Okay, So once minus 4 comes this side, it becomes plus 4. So here we have x equal to 0.929. Handwriting is not coming clear here. 929 y minus 10.21 and 219 plus 4. This plus 4 comes from that side, minus 4 has come this side, so this becomes plus 4. Therefore the regression equation x on y is x equal to 0.929y. Simplify this, use your calculators, you will get it as minus 6.219. so this is your regression equation of x on y. So two important things we have got, that is, this is regression equation x on y, equation 1 you can say, and this also is an important thing, that is this is where what is checked when evaluation happens, whether you have got these answers right. So whenever they are evaluating your papers, they check whether you have written the correct formula and you have got the right answer. So these are two things which they say. Then the next step is you have to find out regression coefficient of y on x. Same steps again, only thing is x on y we have done, now we have to find out y on x. So let's do it. Regression coefficient of y on x. Write down the formula, substitute. Okay, the steps remain the same. Multiply and subtract, add, divide, whatever it is, and you will get answer like this, and it is again byx is equals to 0.929. this also you are getting same, you will not get same every time, luckily, or just in this case I've got same answer, baxy equal to byx. Okay, generally it doesn't become same. Okay, now next thing is we have to find out the regression equation, that is equation of y on x. Okay, y minus y bar equal to byx multiplied by x minus x bar is the regression equation of y on x. Y terms I'm writing first, then I'm writing x terms, and then here I'm using regression coefficient. Here also y comes first and x comes later. So this is how we have to remember the formula. Substitute now. Y bar, x bar we have found out in the first slide itself. X, byx we have found out here. Okay, so just substitute this, you will get this value. Send it here and multiply. Okay, once you multiply this, you have to multiply this and this, multiply this and this. So here you will get y minus 11. One step is missing here, I'll just write it, implies y equal to 0.929 x minus 4 into 0.929. just check what it comes, 4 into 0.929, that you have to write here. I do not have a calculator right now. 4 into 0.929 and minus 11 becomes plus 11. Okay, so it is okay, I have written it down, in fact minus 3.716. this is what you will get. This is nothing but here I have written down. Okay, the same step, then you have to just substitute, solve it, and you will get answer as 0.929x plus 7.284. so regression coefficient of y on x is nothing but y is equals to 0.929x plus 7.284. so these are again your two main answers. Okay, Now I am writing this as equation number 2. We have two equations, one is x on y and other is y on x. So we just name it for identification purposes. Later on we need it. This is your regression equation. If they have asked you only a regression equation, this gets over, but in the problem it was not printed in the problem, but they had asked you what is the value of x when y is equals to 20, and they have also asked you what is the value of y when x is equals to 20. See, y is equals to 20 they have given here in this. Okay, so they have asked you x equal to something as what question mark. So you have to find out an equation where x is dependent on something, x on y. Okay, x equal to something you want. So x comes first, y comes later. So x on y it is. So what is the regression equation of x on y? We have found it from equation number 1. We are getting this x equal to 0.929y minus 6.219. Just substitute the value of y as 20 here, you will get these values. So multiply 20 into 0.929, you will get 18.58 minus 6.219. The total answer is x equal to 12.361. Fine. The next thing is, if x equal to 10, what is the value of y? Here y equal to something, so y equal to x function. So that means y is dependent on x, that is y on x you need. So y equal to something, that equation you need here. So this is that equation which we have found out, y equal to 0.929x plus 7.284. So just substitute the value of x here. X is equals to 10 in this case. So y equal to 0.929 multiplied by 10 plus 7. This is 10 plus 7.284. So once you multiply this, you will get 9.29 plus 7.284. Once you add, you will get y equal to 16.574. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. This can come for 10 marks section, or it may come in compulsory section. So be prepared. This kind of one problem is definitely going to come in your external examination. Okay, with this we end today's lecture. If you have any difficulties, if you have any doubts, you have to always contact us at my personal number